Hi, I'm Karma of Ominit. Welcome to my channel. So today we're going to open the ChakraBox. And I just started getting this subscription. I found it and I just thought it was an amazing idea because although I've studied the 7 chakras, starting with the base and ending with the crown, many of us are familiar with those. I hadn't really studied the other chakras, the ones outside your body. And she actually does that. So this is the first box. It just arrived and I'm super excited to share it with you. So the box came in an envelope, and so I've taken the box out of the envelope and it's got the pretty sticker on. Inside the envelope was also a little note, and it says, "Greetings, dear one. If you're receiving this box, then you're on the path to some serious self-love." Excellent. So it just kind of goes through in his little introduction. It says, take a moment to look through all the precious items included in your Earth Star Chakra balancing box. Excellent. So we're starting with the Earth Star Chakra balancing. What the ChakraBox does is every single month it gives you a different chakra until you've worked through all of them. So I thought it'd be a great way for me to educate myself on the chakras and learn a little bit more. Especially with, I'm more familiar with the 7 that we normally talk about, and this one's talking about the Earth Star that's actually below the base chakra. So has all our little stuffings kind of hanging out. Oh, hard to open. Okay, and so you can see there it has the card on top and another little card and a few more cards. Oh, this looks like a sticker. There's a sticker for the, see if I can get that without a glare, for the Earth Star. So let's just kind of get in here and pull things out. Just set them to the side a little bit. Looks like there's another layer. Wow. Lots of stuff in here. Hey, Mala. And we'll go through it after I get them out of the box. Make sure there's nothing else. Oh, there is. I'm gonna miss that. Let me check one more time. Just make sure there's nothing. Okay. So I'll put the box down here, and then we'll just go one at a time of what we have. Since the Mala's out, let's look at the Mala. Oh, it's a beautiful mala. Let me look on the card really quickly because I'm not going to go through all the descriptions. I'm just going to read a tiny bit about it, and then I'll put some more in the descriptions in the video. So it says it's a red sandalwood mala. Now malas have been used by many different religions. The wood itself, or what the mala is made of itself, can be used just for wear, but they also use it as ways of different counting mantras or that kind of thing. So that's beautiful. Set that right there. Looks like we have a little bag of stones. Okay, so it looks like a snowflake obsidian and a tree agate. And I'm not sure what this one is. Let's see if I can figure it out. So it's number 8. So that's an axonite. Allows you to tap into your past life and discover information you've been seeking. Interesting. So those are our 3 to work with our so put those there. Looks like we have a beautiful chakra. It's made out of wood, and looks like if you had small crystals you could have put them down there, or small stones you could put them down there. Put this right in the center of the stones there. Make sure everything stays on the camera. It's a new camera angle and attempt. So we'll see how well we do. Let me know what you think. Looks like we have some tea. So it says Earth Star Chakra Balancing Tea. Ingredients: organic herbs of honey bush, chicory root, dandelion, licorice, skullcap, and nettles. Yum, and you can see the back. It looks like a beautiful blend. I'm excited to try that. Looks like we have some incense here. Let's see. The incense. Oh, Palo Santo incense. Really nice. I have and keep around all the time my Palo Santo here that I always use to cleanse myself before I videotape or cleanse the area, or my new crystals. So this is just another way that we could do that with incense. So those are beautiful. We've got some type of a spray cap here. Let's see what that's all about. Oh, beautiful. So it looks like we have 4 selenite cubes. And selenite is used to clear and cleanse. Even crystals, you can put those, touch your crystals to them, and it's a way to cleanse your crystals, especially if you used them for a grid or something like that, and you want to change the intention, you want to cleanse those crystals. But I'm guessing with 4 of them, you can put these 4 in, say, the 4 corners of your bedroom or the 4 corners of your house to help cleanse and purify your house. So those are really pretty. So this says Sacred Space, Purification and Ritual Smokeless Smudge. Very nice. So I want to read just a tiny bit about to see what it says. Oh, it says it's a mist. May assist in clearing negative energy from your space or crystals. Okay, so that's what this little spray guy is for, is to put the spray cap in it, and then you can mist it. And again, it's another way to cleanse with a sacred space, especially if you're allergic to smoke. Oh, yeah, you can smell. There's got a lot of white sage in there. That's really nice. Really beautiful. Then we have this little guy. And this says Tranquility on it. Sorry, not very good with the camera yet, especially with this view. Trying to get you some good close-up pictures though while I show you things. So Tranquility, let's see what it says on the card. Tranquility High Vibe Aroma Oil. Tranquility is designed to assist in the release of fears that create anxiety. And then there's a little bit more. Let's open this up. Oh, it's a roll-on. So there's citrusy in there. I'll give you a list of the main ingredients and stuff down the bottom, but that's really nice. I can see the tranquility, releasing the anxiety and fear. So now in the card, you've got an aura charge meditation, and it looks like that has breathing techniques and meditation stuff on it. I'm sure all of these things are going to go together to have you do meditations and such like that. Let's see what these little cards are. So we have the sticker here. There's her card, just the chakra card, or the ChakraBox card. And this is on the Tranquility. So this gives us the information on the Tranquility and what's in it. And that goes up here with the Tranquility. Then it does say number 3, says Chance for Meditation Virtual Download Card. Your download information is in an additional email that will arrive. Okay, so there's going to be also some downloads, some guided meditations that you can use with it. So being my first box, overall, I think this is pretty amazing. And I'm really excited to do the meditations, go a little bit further, and see how the practice is for the month. So look for the box next month so I can tell you how this month went. But that's a beautiful box and I'm super excited to try it. So if you've enjoyed this video or you enjoy my other videos, please subscribe. I'm just a brand new channel, so any comments, any suggestions are always gratefully appreciated. Have a blessed day, and I hope to see you soon.